CashApp.
Hey everybody, DJ HailNazareth with United City Plugin, bringing you another review of the FiFine gaming audio mixer, which I review in the following order. The FiFine audio mixer is a budget-friendly device, pricing from $40 to $50. Now, besides the mixer, you get a USB Type-C cable along with an adapter and a 3.5 audio cable. The SC3 audio mixer is the ultimate minimum solution for streaming, gaming, and other entertainment categories. This modern product provides 50 dB gain. It also provides output power for the headphones to create a clear, rich sound. The streamlined connections involves both line in and line out, as well as a USB-C combo with A ports, making the set unbeatable. The SC3 gives players the flexibility to take their sound setup to the next level with its combined XLR, and TRS balanced mic input, not to mention the 48 phantom power included. The SC3 game interface also has a RGB feature for those nighttime gamers or whatever. Here are the measurements for the SC3 audio mixer. By the way, if you haven't done so yet, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, follow us on these popular social media platforms. So every time I do a review, I like to show a PowerPoint presentation for viewers can get an idea on how to install each device with the appropriate cable. Before you set up your mixer, you need the right cables. Second, which equipment you're going to use with this mixer. And finally, you must have patience. So, with that being said,
all systems go.
okay, so there are many ways you can use your SC3. You know, whether you want to game or DJ or just stream or chat to people online or do a Zoom meeting, whatever. But the main way I would probably use this is setting up to use with a DJ set. But for now, say I wanted to connect it to a mixer. So in this case, I would connect the line out to the line in, because in and out, never out to out, never in to in. It's always out to in or in to out. Okay, so if I was to connect a mixer that looks like this, I would use RCA cables to a 3.5, something like this. Okay, or say I wanted to connect a mixer like this. Say this is the monocaster. So in this case, I would just use a 3.5 to a 3.5, which I have right here. So one connection to the output and another connection to the input. And that's pretty much it. Or whether I was using, say, another mixer like the Tasami, which is one of my favorite portable mixers, I would just connect one part to the line out or line in, and then, well, actually I'll put it to line out because I will use line 2 here, so the micro USB connection here, and the 3.5 to your line in, and that's pretty much it. Or some people might use a mixer, say, like this right here. So there are a few mixers I know that has this layout: Behringer, Mackie, Yamaha. I have a regular G Mark. I'll show the description in later on to show you where I got it from and how much. But anyway, so I will connect one port RCA, the standard RCA, to a 3.5 or a dual quarter inch RCA to a 3.5, which will be something like this right here. And like I said, I will label all this in the description section so you can know where to get these cables if you choose to do it this way. So, in this case, I would say the output of the mixer, the DJ controller, to the line in. So remember now, out to in to out. Never out, out, never in. And that's pretty much it. And you can have some speakers or whatever. To power up this SC3, all you need is a computer, or I think you can even use a cell phone with enough power. So in this case, we're going to use it this way, a DJ controller, because that's typically what I'm going to use it for anyway. So let's actually see the physical layout. Okay, so I didn't connect the FiFine yet, but I just want to show you what layout I was going to use. So I decided to use my DJ controller with the FiFine mixer. The DJ controller that I have requires you to use the RCA to the 3.5, which is right here. So I'm going to connect that to the mixer, and then we can begin doing a little demonstration. So as I indicated in the PowerPoint, I'm using the DJ controller with the FiFine. So I had to connect the RCA to the mixer, which would be the speaker out. So let's just plug in the mixer to see how it sounds with the DJ controller. So like I said, this is a RGB Frenzy mixer. You can also change the colors if you don't want it to be like this RGB layout. There's a button right here, just press that. I'm gonna plug in a condenser microphone, which doesn't have phantom power. However, if it did have phantom power, I would just have to short press this. Okay, so now it's off. When I press it, it brightens up. When I'm not using it, it's back to the RGB of the rest of the buttons. And then you have the electric button, which is like your the T-Pain effect. But I think it can work for all the layouts of these 4 faders. So like I said, I'm going to connect a condenser microphone to the mixer. I already have the DJ controller up and running, so we're just going to see how the sound, how it sounds together. Okay? Okay, now there are 2 switches, dynamic and condenser. Okay, so let's try this out and see how it sounds. Oh, by the way, I am using a splitter. I will have all this in the link below, so you can see where to get it if you're interested. Let me just show you the layout. I needed phantom power, so I had to press the 48V. Like I said, all these buttons have a reason. Electric is for like the T-Pain effect. And when it's lit, of course you hear it. Okay. keep pressing until you get to the right note you wish to use. And to turn it off, just hold down, and that's it. Okay, then you have custom A, C, custom B, D. Those are just to customize your sampler. Say you want to have your own jingle or your own drop name, you can do so. I'll probably do a video showing how to use this in a DJ layout, but right now, change voice. And when you want to change your voice, all you have to do is just keep pressing the button. And to turn it off, hold down. That's it. We already talked about the RGB button. So let's play some music and see how this sounds with it. This is pretty much how you use this little mixer. Like I said, you can use it for anything, whether it's the DJ, game, stream, broadcast, whatever. Preferably, I will be using this DJing, of course, and I'll probably do future videos showing how we use it in a DJ environment. Going back to what I was saying with this FiFine mixer, it's budget friendly, has all the basic layouts you would need. It doesn't pass the road, but for $40, $50, you can't go wrong. I don't have any cons for this other than the plastic seems a little bit flimsy. Like if I was to drop it, it would probably break inside. I really don't have anything bad to say about this. I mean, I love FiFine products. They are durable sometimes, but they're very affordable for people who want to start, broadcasting or streaming. So if you decide to buy this, do so, and that's pretty much it. All material used in this video will be in the description section below, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments section. And please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, I am DJ HailNazareth with United City Plugin. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and happy holidays.